This 2025 Winnebago Minnie 2730FK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 30 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, oven, stovetop burner, slide-out, skylight, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, smoke detector, awning, TV, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Minnie 2730FK is 7,082 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.